shortcut to.
Shortcut?
Yan kami aakyat.
Paano tayo maka-video pag ganito?
Hindi naman natin kailaakyat din ang tok-tok na tok-tok.
Kaya nga. Eh dito kaya? Dito kaya?
Ito na private na to eh.
Private na? Almost there daw, oh. Kayang-kaya ng mga bata, oh. Kain muna tayo.
Baka dyan pwede.
Ha?
Saan kaya yun?
Baka doon sa kabila. Dito na tayo kakain, pwede. Dito na, maupo na tayo dito sa bricks.
Ba tayo pwede doon?
Saan? Hindi, tignan mo, oh. Tirik na tirik, ay.
Kaya naman pala.
Kaya nga sabi, suicidal cliff.
We're almost there.
Oh, hindi sila nakaakyat. Hanggang kanila.
Almost there, sabi yung ganun, eh. Kaya mahirap.
Bakit ba tayo aakyat sa kataas-taasan?
Elle était un peu dure, Grégoire. En 20 minutes.
Oh, to go to the top?
Non, parce que toi, t'as eu...
Really? 20 to 15? So we just go straight?
Just go straight, just follow.
It's 1 hour to go to the top.
Oh, no,
It's so hard.
It's so hard. Really hard.
I'm dead. No, no, no.
Oh,
No, really. Oh, yeah, really.
This is the rope, and after is all the way.
all the way.
all the way have the rope. All the way have the rope.
2/3 of the road is
Yeah.
with the rope.
Oh, thank you.
No, it's 1 hour to go up, and it's like 2/3 of all the thing with rope.
With rope.
Going up is easier or going down is
Down.
有我影相啊，係啊，
Yeah, he...
你同我一齊嗰度影相。
I met you there and then you walk down here, right?
嗰度有個娛樂嚟嘅。
Go up helicopter station and then go and the other side. Yeah.
From the station, go up and back. But we did up and back from here, down here is
I can trick you.
So which is the best way?
best way to go.
Better to use this way to go up.
Oui, non, c'est pour ça, le up comme ça et down comme ça. Oui, c'est plus difficile de descendre par jusqu'à ce.
Oh, the other one was easy.
Okay.
It's easier but longer. It would take like 1 hour and a half.
1 and a
So,
half. But anyway, you are all safe. Very good. No problem. Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous. But you are so smart. Good. You're very.
There's the
I will try
suicide
to
rope.
You didn't have anything glove? No need? No need glove? Yeah. I think it's good. Glove is better. Yeah, using rope. Yeah.
Lulu?
No glove? It's okay. They are very trained. Yeah. Energetic. Good. Oh, no way back.
Oh, pag nasa taas ka na, no way to turn back. You have to go. Or else you go back.
Hindi naman tayo makabidyo doon sa taas.
Hindi tayo makabidyo din ate.
Oo.
Paano?
Another mother is coming down. Yeah. Oh, I see. Get hurt.
Saan tayo? Dito o sa kabila?
Yeah.
Doon daw sa station.
Sa station, tapos
May station
maganda daw. Medyo planada, ganun.
Hindi, mas mahirap daw doon.
Oh. Kain muna tayo. Lika. Rope. Oy, rope. Oh, talagang may rope siya. Ayan, oh, sa may pinakaliblib.
Comment ça, Hubert, à 11h15?
bago tayo umanhik.
Dalawa tayo.
Papanik kami dyan.
Kapanhik din kami dyan.
Mamayang konti lang. Teka lang. Kakain mo na kami.
Kain muna kami. Gutom kami.